Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2014 Yamaha V Star 1300 Tourer. This factory installed cruiser has just under 600 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. So the gear that you see on this bike is going to be factory. As you can see, tires are still in excellent condition. Service will make sure that they still are. Comes with a tall, clear cruising windscreen. It's got footboards for the driver. Lockable leather-clad luggage. A passenger backrest. And again, the leather-clad saddlebags. And again, footboards for the driver. This bike also comes with a heel-toe shifter. And again, that clear, tall windscreen. Alright, show you those miles. 532 is what's on it. This 2014 V Star 1300 Tourer will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this cruiser from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.